In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NBA 2K25 low VRam error. So, for example, you just have to, this is your NBA 2K25, just right click and go to properties. And once you're in here, just verify integrity of game files. And the second method is just go to power options, just search power options. And as you can see, just click that, edit power plan, and change advanced power settings, power options as you can see in here. Now, you must go to show additional plans and just click ultimate performance or just high performance. Just choose of the two. And then the other method is just go to your graphic settings. Now, once you're in here, for example, this is your NBA 2K25. Just browse your NBA 2K25 in here. Now, once you're in here, once you have the dying light, just go to options and just click high performance and just save. And the fourth method is just to see that you are in a minimum requirement of the NBA 2K25. Therefore, that is the problem, and that's it.